Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The current price of Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT is as follows. BTC to USDT, 63,990.36. ETH to USDT, 3,496.82. BNB to USDT, 581.2. The price of these cryptocurrencies has decreased compared to yesterday.
Latest news.
Paradigm Capital transfers 5817 ETH to Anchorage Digital. Paradigm Capital invests substantial amount of Ethereum in institutional custody platform. According to BlockBeats, Paradigm Capital has transferred a total of 5,817 ETH to the institutional custody platform, Anchorage Digital. The transaction, which took place on June 22, is equivalent to approximately $20.49 million. Arkham, a blockchain monitoring platform, detected the transaction approximately 2 hours after it occurred. This move by Paradigm Capital indicates a substantial investment in Ethereum, one of the leading cryptocurrencies in the market. Anchorage Digital, a prominent institutional-grade platform for digital asset custody, is known for its high security measures and is trusted by many large-scale investors and institutions for the safekeeping of their digital assets. This transaction underscores the growing interest and investment in Ethereum and other digital assets by institutional investors. Paradigm Capital's substantial transfer to Anchorage Digital is a clear indication of the firm's confidence in the potential of Ethereum and the broader digital asset market. Fantom Foundation announces third Sonic governance proposal. The Fantom Foundation has announced its third Sonic governance proposal on Platform X, which includes ecosystem subsidies, a new token destruction mechanism, and innovative plans such as Sonic Spark and Sonic University. The Sonic Foundation will allocate a portion of the tokens as operating funds for Sonic Labs over the next 6 years, managing network growth between dApp, BD partners, and the ever-growing existing and new user communities. The community can decide the inflation rate at 1.5% per year, with a minimum of 5 million tokens being minted each year if Sonic Labs only uses 5 million tokens in a given year. The new token destruction mechanism aims to maintain the value of the Sonic tokens. Blockchain Association opposes IRS broker rules citing excessive burden. The Blockchain Association objects to the proposed broker rules by the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, IRS. The association believes these regulations will impose an undue burden on investors, cryptocurrency companies, and the IRS itself. The association cites the Paperwork Reduction Act and argues that unnecessary paperwork requirements should not be imposed on individuals and entities within the financial system. The letter states that if these rules are passed, they would result in an additional 8 billion tax forms, wasting 4 billion hours of processing time, and annual compliance costs of $254 billion. The association believes that an annual compliance cost of $254 billion is unreasonable for a market that at most generates a $10 billion tax gap. In 2023, the association submitted a 39-page letter detailing comprehensive objections to these regulations. The rules are considered extremely difficult to comply with for decentralized financial protocols, reflecting the government's misunderstanding of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Significant shift in Bitcoin miners' revenue source, driven by transaction fees. Bitcoin miners see significant shift in income source, driven by transaction fees. According to data from Glassnode, Bitcoin miners' income has shifted primarily from transaction fees, with a peak in April 2024 and a stabilization at a lower level. This change is associated with the launch of rooms during the halving period, indicating an increase in transaction processing demand. Historical data shows that a surge in fee income is usually related to price fluctuations or network activity. The latest trends suggest that when Bitcoin prices and network activity increase, miners can profit from transaction fees. Understanding this shift is crucial for predicting the financial health of miners and the network economy. 21 Shares and Grayscale submit revised Ethereum ETF forms to SEC. 21 Shares and Grayscale submit revised S1 forms for Ethereum ETFs, seeking approval. However, fee rates not disclosed, leaving potential investors in the dark. New 尝试 by companies to bring Ethereum ETFs to US market. SEC yet to approve any cryptocurrency ETFs, citing concerns. 21 Shares and Grayscale's submission represents significant step forward. Apple delays new AI technology launch in EU due to Digital Markets Act. Apple postpones the launch of its new artificial intelligence technology to the European Union market, affecting hundreds of millions of users. The company announced on Friday that it will not release Apple Intelligence, iPhone mirroring, and SharePlay screen sharing to EU users this year due to concerns over the Digital Markets Act. Apple expressed concerns that the interoperability requirements of the Digital Markets Act might compel them to undermine the integrity of their products in a way that weakens user privacy and data security. Under the Digital Markets Act, Apple anticipates receiving a formal warning from EU regulatory authorities. The company is suspected of preventing some apps from directing users towards cheaper online subscription services. Apple was fined €1.8 billion, approximately $1.9 billion, by EU regulatory departments for this issue earlier this year. The company's decision to delay the launch of its new AI technology in the EU is seen as a response to these regulatory pressures. Aleph 0 launches zkOS, a privacy layer compatible with EVM. Aleph 0 launches zkOS, a privacy-enhanced public blockchain compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. zkOS can generate zero-knowledge proofs on consumer devices in less than a second, allowing private transactions and dApp interactions without revealing data. Developed by Polkadot Developer Parity Technologies, zkOS uses Halo 2 with KZG commitments and provides a zk toolkit to simplify developer integration. zkOS benchmarks show it can execute proofs on a MacBook within 600 to 800 milliseconds. The aim of zkOS is to be faster, more user-friendly, and easier for developers to integrate into Ethereum applications. SEC concludes investigation into Consensys Ethereum 2.0, no charges filed. Ethereum 2.0 investigation by the SEC concludes without charges, but not definitively determining asset is not a security. Oh daily. This development is significant in the ongoing debate over classification of cryptocurrencies as securities. The SEC's decision not to pursue charges at this time indicates a potential shift in the regulatory landscape for Ethereum and similar digital assets. Ethereum, ETH, surpasses 3,500 USDT with a narrowed 0.69% decrease in 24 hours. Ethereum crosses 3,500 USDT benchmark with 0.69% decrease in 24 hours. This release is subject to change as market conditions may vary. Please check with Binance market data for the most up-to-date information. Bitcoin, BTC, surpasses 64,000 USDT with a narrowed 1.69% decrease in 24 hours. Bitcoin crosses 64,000 USDT benchmark on June 21, 2024, with a narrowed 1.69% decrease in 24 hours. Tokenization adoption to be led by mutual funds, bonds, loans, McKinsey report. McKinsey's report highlights the potential of tokenization for the financial industry, with assets such as mutual funds, bonds, and loans leading the way. The market for tokenized assets could reach $4 trillion by 2030 in an optimistic scenario, but McKinsey's estimate could be as low as $1 trillion. The report suggests that broad adoption of tokenization is still far away, but global asset managers and banks such as BlackRock, Citigroup, and HSBC are applying blockchain technology to traditional assets. The report identifies mutual funds, bonds, exchange-traded notes, repurchase agreements, repos, alternative funds, loans, and securitization as the likely leaders in tokenization efforts. However, it predicts slower adoption for assets such as real estate, commodities, and equities, citing marginal benefits, feasibility concerns, complex compliance requirements, and a lack of incentive for key industry players to pursue tokenization. The report suggests that early adopters could seize a larger market share, but many institutions are still waiting for a clearer signal to implement tokenization. BNB drops below 580 USDT with a 2.73% decrease in 24 hours. Binance market data reports that BNB has fallen below 580 USDT with a 2.73% decrease in 24 hours. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29. Internet Computer to launch ICP Hub Accelerator program in 2024. Internet Computer is set to launch the ICP Hub Accelerator program on June 22, 2024. The program is designed to assist early-stage blockchain projects in transforming their concepts into market solutions. It aims to establish a robust blockchain innovation ecosystem and promote technological advancement within the ICP community. The ICP Hub Accelerator program is a significant step towards fostering innovation in the blockchain sector. By providing support to early-stage projects, the program is expected to facilitate the development of practical market solutions based on blockchain technology. This initiative is also anticipated to contribute to the growth and technological progress of the ICP community. In conclusion, the launch of the ICP Hub Accelerator program by Internet Computer is a strategic move to bolster the blockchain innovation ecosystem. It not only aids early-stage blockchain projects but also promotes the technological advancement of the ICP community. The program is set to launch on June 22, 2024.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all a wealthy and abundant cryptocurrency portfolio. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always have access to the funds you need to achieve your financial goals. Cheers to success and continued success in your cryptocurrency journey. #cryptocurrency #financial goals #success